Now the team is getting there. It's still very early, I would say. It's our second week in terms of preseason, and the attendance is very good so far, and the workload, the commitment that the guys that are showing is very, very so much impressive. And I'm just hoping that with this positive energy amongst the team is going to bring us a good luck this season. So far, as I've told you, we are still in the early stages. Right now, we're about 40 to 50%. Not yet there because of it's only our second week we've started, and we had to, on the first week, we had to build up the foundation phase in terms of the players being ready to load them. So they're going to get there definitely, a bit by bit. It's a slow progression, but we're working hard every day, and we are trying to make sure we push the boys, they get to the level where we want them to be.
Mm-hmm. This Saturday, you're going to have the friendly game against Gorilla. The boys, are them ready to play this game, or there is the journey in these 4 days?
During the preseason, you must know that the team is still, there are still new guys that are being addressed into the team, looking for new competition. Some of them, they are new, they want to contribute to the team, and for us, we have to make sure that we give them confidence. This game it's one of the pre-season friendlies. It has no much pressure. We're just checking the boys and making sure that each and every one of them, they are getting proper minutes according to the level of their fitness. Because of, you cannot on the first game you expect your players to play 90 minutes. No, it's a slow progression, slow by bit, phase by phase.
Mm-hmm. And what is your message to Lion Sports supporters who is waiting for this Saturday game?
Can they please come in numbers and support the guys and welcome the new players that will be showing their ability. I wouldn't say, yes, I would say, yeah, that's it. And just keep on supporting the team, because of obviously we need, without their support, I mean, we are nothing without their support.
Nice one. Yes. Yes. To support here. Yes. You need to control it. Come, great, Maki. Keep the ball. Yes. Yes. Action. Change outside. Then. Yes. Two touches. Great. Two touches. Mark. Come, great. Great. Keep the ball. Keep the ball. Hey. Come on. Got many touches. Yes, better. Hey, come miss. You need to press. Keep the ball. You need to press. Are you gonna press? Miss. Are you gonna press? What's next? You need to press for the ball. Play. Hey, why you kick them? Press blue. Press. Yes, reaction red. Yes, you are losing the balls and you are not pressing. What's up with you? Keep the ball. Attention. Stop, Roger. Rest. 1 minute. We need to press quicker. Still many touches. Stay. Come the ball. Need to press. Come red. Press. Need to press. Reaction no Morena. Reaction has to be quicker. Go. Nice. Go. Nice. Go. Nice. Go. Très bien. Go. Nice. Go. Go. Nice. Go. 4. Go. 5. Go. 6. Go. 7. Go. Last. Go. Go. Come on. Go. Come on. Service. Go. Wait. Service. Go. Nice. 4. Go. Nice. Go. Nice. 5. Go. Nice. Go. Come on. Nice. Come on. 7. Go. Last.
Nibyo ino Rayon Sport ubona ko abakinnyi benshi ni bashyashya niko kandi abo bashyashya akenshi ndabona nta bakinnyi beza usibye ko bitandukanye cyane kubona umukinnyi mu myitozo bitandukanye no kumubona muri match uri umukinnyi cyane cyane abonekera muri match ariko icyizere kirari cyuko cyeberekana ko abakinnyi beza kandi bazafasha Rayon Sport izaba Rayon Sport nashishikariza abantu ko izaba ari nziza sivuga ngo ni nziza kurusha izashize ariko Rayon Sport nayo izashimisha abakunzi bayo.
Hanyuma se dusoza amashi wamenye kuyakoma n'indirimbo warayimenye Fisto
cyane umuntu agomba kwiyadafuta hageze hose ubu navuga ko Rwego bigezeho nanjye ndi umwe mu bareyo
ni igitero cya mbere se cyangwa
aka kase nakubwira ngo ndakubwira igitero runaka ariko iyo dutangiye ngendana nabo